If you remember, noun is a word that contains person, place, thing, or an idea. Then we discussed about classifications of noun. Nouns are basically classified into 4 categories. First, proper noun and common noun. Second, collective nouns. Third, countable noun and uncountable nouns. And fourth, concrete noun and abstract nouns. Then we discussed first 2 categories of nouns, that is proper noun and common noun and collective noun. If you recall, what is a proper noun? Proper noun means name of particular place, person or thing. And common noun means name we give in general to all person, places or things. Let's see an example to make things clear. Vatsal is a good boy. Here, Vatsal is the name of particular boy, so it is a proper noun. While boy is a name we give in general to anyone, so it is a common noun. Then we discussed about collective nouns. Collective noun refers to a group or collection of same kind of person, place or things. Example, bunch of books. So bunch is a collective noun for books. I hope you are clear about the 2 categories. If you want in detail understandings and more examples, please refer the previous video. Now we will go to the next category, countable nouns and uncountable nouns. So, what are countable nouns? Countable nouns are things that we can count using numbers. So if anything you can count, it comes in the category of countable nouns. Countable nouns can be singular or plural form. Examples, a dog, a man, 3 bags. Here you can see you can count dog, man, bags. So they come in the category of countable nouns. Now let's look this countable nouns in form of sentences. First, Ramesh has 8 pencils. How many pencils Ramesh has? He has 8 pencils. She has 2 dogs. How many dogs she has? She has 2 dogs. Now the third one is, how many friends do you have? You might have 3 friends, 4 friends, 5 friends, 10 friends. So you can count the number of friends. So they come in the category of countable nouns. Countable nouns are basically divided into 2 more categories, singular forms or plural forms. So what are singular forms? If there is one and only one person, place or thing involved, then we can call them as singular forms. A, an and the are used while using them. Examples, a bus, an orange, the sun. Let's see the examples in these sentences. The bird flew away. Here, the bird means we are talking about only a single bird. A dog is man's best friend. A dog means we are talking of only a dog, single dog. And an apple a day keeps a doctor away. How many apples we are talking here? we are talking about only single apple. Now let's see the plural forms. If there is more than one person, place, thing involved, then we can call them as plural forms. How many is used to find the quantity of plural forms? Singular noun is changed to plural noun by adding s, es and ies at the end. Let's see examples of singular nouns and their plural forms. Cow, its plural form is cows. Match has mats. Box has boxes. And lady has ladies. See the word at the end of plural forms s, es and ies in the examples. Let's see the examples in sentences, singular forms and plural forms. The monkey started eating bananas. Its plural form, the monkeys started eating bananas. The bird flew away. Its plural form, the birds flew away. The thief put the jewel in the bag. Its plural form, the thieves put the jewels in the bag. Now let's look into the another category of nouns, that is uncountable nouns. Things that we cannot count with numbers are categorized in uncountable nouns. We can use some or any with them. They usually do not have any plural form. Examples: tea, water and sugar. See, you can see in the example, you cannot count water, you cannot count tea, or you cannot count sugar. So they come in the category of uncountable nouns. Now let's see some sentence examples for the same. This news is very important. Here, news is uncountable. You cannot count how many news are there. I love listening music. Here, music is uncountable noun. Have you got any rice? Here, rice is uncountable noun. Hope you are clear with the category of uncountable nouns. What we learned in this video. Firstly, we just had an overview of what we learned previously, that is nouns. Then we recap about the two categories of noun, proper noun and common noun, and collective noun. Then we looked in the another categories of noun, countable nouns and uncountable nouns. And in countable nouns, we saw two forms of noun, singular forms and plural forms. That's all in this video. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. Do share the videos so others can learn. Do subscribe to the channel to get regular updates about the course. And if you have any suggestions, please write in the comments section.